Today, I'm going to show you how to do a 3D effect in CapCut step by step, using the timeline, effects panel, and a simple speed adjustment to make it look polished and professional. This is a super easy technique that can instantly make your video feel more dynamic, and the best part is, you do not need advanced editing skills to follow along. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and go to the timeline. Select the clip that you want to turn into a 3D style effect. This is important because the effect will apply to the clip you choose, so make sure you click the exact clip you want to edit. Once your clip is selected, look at the top toolbar and click on Effects. This will open the Effects section where CapCut gives you a wide range of visual styles you can add to your video. From here, browse through the available effects and preview any 3D effect that matches the look you want. Take your time here because different 3D effects can create very different results depending on the style of your video. In this example, I'm using the 3D card effect, which gives the footage a clean and eye-catching 3D motion look. When you find the effect you want, click and drag it down to the timeline so it applies to your clip. Make sure it is placed correctly, because the effect needs to sit on top of the footage in the timeline to work properly. After that, keep the effect selected and go to the right side panel. Here you can adjust the speed of the effect to better fit your video. This helps you control how fast or slow the 3D animation feels, and it can make a big difference in the final result. If the motion feels too quick, slow it down a little. If it feels too delayed or heavy, speed it up until it looks smooth. Once you are happy with the timing, preview the video carefully from start to finish. This lets you see how the 3D effect moves with your clip and whether any final adjustments are needed. If everything looks good, you are ready to export your video and save the finished result. And that's how you create a 3D effect in CapCut using the 3D card effect and a simple speed adjustment. It is fast, beginner-friendly, and a great way to make your edit stand out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other CapCut tutorials for more simple editing tips.